Y'all niggas. Y'all niggas, fuck y'all. Fuck y'all. Let's see. Who else? That's Mac right there, the homeboy, you feel me? There go that nigga, look there, he's so real though.
North Vallejo, find this bitch.
It's mine, nigga.
That's not the same tape. It's got the man on it, is it?
Yeah, it is.
Okay, all right. Be careful.
You know we out here, man. We didn't know this movie, nigga. No, I'm joking.
Alright, there goes the Thriller Cats, little wrestling and everything. The Arcadius, and then there she go. And then, putting you on camera. There go Jackie. And there goes Aaron. And there goes LeJay Johnson, Deshaun Major's brother. And there goes Mr. Bowden. Mr. Bowden, I love you. You're the best counselor here.
I'm your only counselor.
Yeah, but you're the best. There she go. There she go. Who else is over here? Yeah, who over here? Yeah, in your face, what's up though? There go this midget. Never heard of him, nigga. She about the 1-1. Let me get the fuck out of here. Some whack ass faggots. Loving basketball.
No.
There she go right there.
Hey, put it on YouTube, man.
Huh? No. Oh yeah, I will.
Okay.
There go Eve, chilling.
So, like, I heard that you like Paulina.
Huh?
I heard you like Paulina.
You probably heard right. I don't know.
Oh shit, you like Paulina.
There go the lovers right there. There go to the football squad. You feel me? There go Darrell.
Okay.
Oh, what?
You putting that on YouTube?
Yes.
Oh, snap. Send it to me. I want to put it on my
There
page.
go a couple of the football. There goes the independent jerks right here. The jerkers, you feel me? No.
Get the fuck out of here.
Takia. There she go though. And then let's see who else we got. The football squad. We about to knock tonight 4-0.
He dropped the football.
Who else out here? Eric Hendricks. What's up? Who else is out here?
What you gonna post it up?
I'll put it on YouTube.
YouTube? What you gonna call it?
I would just look up Hoover High School. It's gonna have get the star. Get the star. Eric, can we have an interview with you, please? The King. Ain't you the King? An interview with you. Hey, did you make King this year? Come on. We need an interview with you. Huh? So we can't have an interview with the star? Hey, start with his dick. Start with his balls. Get his dick out your mouth. Now, yeah, I'm just saying.
I'm following him. Why do you smell like whatever you smell like?
Mary, who else is gonna have video? Here we go. Let's go. Oh, there go Marcy. Huh? Cause I can. James, can I get you on, please? This is like the first day you've been to work in 5 years.
Leaning against the fence. Get that guy leaning against the fence.
Oh yeah. Hey, ain't you in my math class? Hey, I know him. You in my math class, right?
You off this year?
Yeah. That's good. Yeah. Come on. I know.
Val, if you ever watch this, I hate you. No, I'm just kidding.
All right. Now here goes the volleyball. The volleyball players. Hey, hi, look. Is she gonna look? Hi. Hey. Volleyball. Hey. Hey, Miss Nelson. There goes the coach of all the volleyball players. What's up?
So how did you get up in there?
Mr. Bassard just told me to. Just grabbed me and told me to. And there goes, yeah, you added me on MySpace. I forgot your name though. And there goes, yeah, and there goes more people over there.
And Ayana. Hi.
Ayana, if you don't get off my camera.
Why not?
All right.
I'm like the cutest thing on the camera.
And there goes,
I know the fuck.
hey.
Get her name.